In this video, we'll be looking at the best exercises to lose belly fat fast that are backed by science. But before checking out the exercises, keep in mind that spot reduction of fat, meaning the removal of fat from only one area of the body, is a myth. To lose belly fat, you have to be in a calorie deficit. And the only way to achieve a calorie deficit is by either increasing your energy expenditure or decreasing your calorie intake. The idea behind this is that when you do cardio, you burn more calories, which puts you in a calorie deficit. And if you also maintain a proper diet, you will lose weight faster than if you weren't doing any cardio at all. Now, let's look at some exercises that can help you lose belly fat fast. 1. High-intensity interval training height. Height has been shown to be very effective for losing body fat. It involves short bursts of intense activity followed by short periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. An example of HIIT is alternating between sprinting and jogging. In a study published in the International Journal of Obesity, researchers found that obese participants who did 6 weeks of high-intensity interval training burned significantly more belly fat than those who exercised at a moderate intensity. Another study showed that doing just 20 minutes of HIIT 3 times a week was enough to significantly reduce body fat percentage in overweight men. So, if you want to get rid of belly fat, HIIT is a great option. 2. Strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves using weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight to build muscle strength and endurance. Muscle mass improves resting metabolism, which means you burn more calories at rest. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that participants who did a combination of cardio and strength training 3 times a week lost significantly more belly fat than those who only did cardio. Another study found that strength training increased resting metabolic rate by up to 15%, which can lead to fat loss even while you're not working out. 3. Cardio. Cardio is any type of aerobic exercise that gets your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Examples include running, cycling, swimming, and brisk walking. Cardio is a great way to burn calories and fat. In fact, it's the most effective way to reduce body fat percentage. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who did 60 minutes of moderate intensity cardio 5 times a week lost significantly more belly fat than those who exercised less. Another study showed that doing 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week was enough to reduce body fat percentage in overweight women. 4. Yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India. It involves a series of poses that help improve flexibility, balance, and strength. Some studies have shown that yoga can be effective for reducing stress and improving overall health. This can lead to fat loss by reducing cortisol levels and improving insulin sensitivity. One study found that overweight participants who did yoga for 12 weeks lost significantly more weight and reduced their waist circumference compared to those who didn't practice yoga. Another study showed that yoga was effective for reducing stress and improving mental well-being, which can indirectly lead to fat loss by reducing cortisol levels. 5. Pilates. Pilates is a form of exercise that focuses on strengthening the core muscles, which are the muscles in your abdomen, back, and hips. These muscles are important for posture and balance, and they're also important for reducing lower back pain. A study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that Pilates was effective for improving core muscle strength and reducing lower back pain in women with anterior pelvic tilt. Another study showed that Pilates was effective for improving balance and posture in older adults. By improving core muscle strength, Pilates can help you maintain good posture and prevent injuries. It can also help you reduce lower back pain, which is common in people who sit for long periods of time. Number 6. Walking. Walking is a low-impact exercise that's easy to do and can be done almost anywhere. It's a great way to burn calories and reduce body fat. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that walking was effective for reducing body fat and improving cardiovascular fitness in overweight adults. Another study showed that walking for 10,000 steps per day was associated with a lower risk of obesity-related diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Number 7. Cycling. Cycling is another low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints and can be done indoors or outdoors. It's a great way to burn calories and reduce body fat. In fact, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that cycling was effective for reducing body fat and improving cardiovascular fitness in overweight participants. Another study showed that cycling for 30 minutes per day was associated with a lower risk of obesity-related diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more informative content. Stay healthy and active.